Fundamentals of database concept. Database creation is the most important, expensive, and time-consuming part of any GIS project. The database system is a computer-based record-keeping system to maintain information. Spatial database is a collection of spatially referenced data which can be utilized for querying and obtaining information to integrate different types of analytical models and application. Database creation in vector model involves three stages: spatial data input, attribute data input, linking spatial and attribute data. Spatial data or any thematic map can be captured via digitization in the form of point, line, and polygon. Once data has been captured, editing and topology building is carried out for further process to remove overshoot and undershoot. Attribute data is key in or imported from external platforms such as Excel sheet, Word table, etc. Finally, the spatial data is linked with associated attribute data with means of a common key called unique ID. This attribute data is stored and used for analysis. Spatial database is a collection of spatially referenced data. The GIS provides a linkage between spatial and non-spatial data. GIS is a computer system that links the database with spatial and their attributes through software tools that graphically display, query, and maintain those features and attributes. The purpose of database design is to save time and resources. Unplanned or undesigned database end up with poorly constructed and functionally unsatisfied database, which can result in unnecessary data, missing data, unsupported application, inappropriate feature representation, lack of consistency between various parts of the database. Data input to GIS system. Data input is the operation of encoding data into a database. The user of a GIS has to input spatial data either in raster or vector formats. Spatial data are obtained from different sources with different formats. For example, maps would usually be supplied in hard copy, but the satellite image of an area in digital form. The digital data can be directly transferred to a GIS, but the hard copy maps have to be scanned and digitized. Non-spatial data, usually in the form of tables, reports as shown in the figure. The spatial data can be entered into GIS system in the following methods as shown: digitizing, scanning of analog maps, vectorization, data transfer from existing data from survey or GPS, keyboard entry. Digitization. Digitization is the transformation of information from analog format, paper map, to digital format to store and displayed with a computer. The data collected from remote sensing such as satellite images and aerial digital photographs are fed directly to the DI system for digitization. Paper maps, topo sheets, cadastral maps, geological maps, etc. Analog photographs taken from analog camera need to be scanned and then fed to a GIS system for digitization. Data transfer. Data collected from survey, GPS or with existing digital maps are directly transferred to the GIS system. GPS is very effective tool for collecting spatial data. This data can directly import to the GIS system as shown below. Keyboard entry. Locational data and associated non-spatial data, attribute data such as report table are entered into GIS system by keyboard entry. GIS data editing. Spatial data editing refers to the building relationship between the entities for the removal of errors and updating of digital maps. Spatial data editing includes topology building, topological errors, locational errors, edge matching. Topology building. Topology is a geometric relation of a point, line, and area which is used for establishing spatial relationships that exist between geographical data. Topology structures provide an automated way to handle digitizing and editing errors and enable advanced spatial analysis such as adjacency, connectivity, and containment. Building topology means setting rules and behaviors that model how points, lines, and polygons share geometry. When topological relationships help in performing analysis such as modeling network, flow line, combining adjacent polygons that have similar characteristics and overlay geographic features. Topological editing process begins with constructing the topology of the map to be edited. This step ensures that the computer can recognize individual nodes, arcs, and polygons on the map. Building the topology between map features can remove some of the digitizing errors. Topology is a mathematical representation of the physical relationship that exists between geographical elements. The ability to create and store topological relationships has a number of advantages. Topology stores data more efficiently. This allows processing of larger data sets, helps in faster processing. Fundamental